Exploring the power of color in painting. I am so excited. I'm going to create this video using Google Vid. It's a new tool out there from Google Workspace. I'm not going to tell you so much about the tool as I am going to tell you about color, women in art, and color field painting. I am so excited to be sharing a new tool with you and also teach you about art. In this video, we will explore the color field paintings through the lens of women artists. Today, we're going to look at color field painting and women who have excelled in this field. I'm going to share with you their paintings and share with you some of my works and talk about what makes color field painting so powerful. I've been a painter for over 40 years and have moved from realism to abstraction, and I love painting with large areas of color. So I'm going to do kind of a little trick up here. I've mixed some yellow and some of this green together, and I'm going to actually create an area that kind of goes on top of it. Think of foliage going on top of it. So I'm going to create an area like so. As an artist who loves color, I enjoy layering various shapes and sizes of color to create my signature works, which I call secret forests. I love the power of nature and the many colors that you can see and the colors that you can imagine. Here I am simply layering different areas of shapes and sizes on the upper area of the canvas. Some areas are foliage and other areas are the sky. Before I tell you about the women in art, let me tell you about a very important person who influenced art in a very big way, Joseph Albers. His theories of color really are so important.
Joseph Albers, an influential artist and educator, developed a new way of thinking about color and interaction through his paintings. He helped artists realize every color has the power to change every other color.
You really cannot talk about color unless you talk about Joseph Albers.
Joseph Albers, a visionary artist and teacher, left an indelible mark on the art world. Who was Joseph Albers? A German-American artist, designer, and color theorist. His influence on the art world is immense, spanning from the Bauhaus movement to contemporary art. Albers changed the way artists think about color. Albers is most famous for his Homage to the Square series, a vast body of work consisting of thousands of paintings. These works feature nested squares of varying colors within a larger square. While seemingly simple, these paintings delve into the complex interplay of colors. Color theory became Albers' lifelong obsession, leading to groundbreaking experiments and theories. By meticulously arranging nested squares of different colors, he created intricate visual experiences that challenged our understanding of color and space. Through his meticulous studies, Albers demonstrated how colors interact, shift, and create optical effects. His seminal book, The Interaction of Color, became a foundational text for artists and designers. Albers' signature series of paintings, Homage to the Square, showcased his profound understanding of color relationships.
My homage to the square has led me to demonstrate what color does to us.
Joseph Albers was a color field painter. Joseph Albers' artistic practice was primarily focused on exploring the perceptual and spatial properties of color. How colors interact and influence each other. He demonstrated how the same color can appear different depending on the colors surrounding it. How color affects our perception of space. He used color to create illusions of depth, movement, and even weight within his compositions. The subjective nature of color perception. Albers recognized that how we see color is influenced by many factors, including the surrounding environment and our own individual experiences. Color field painting is a minimalist style of abstract art characterized by large fields of solid color, often with no recognizable subject matter. Joan Mitchell, 1925 to 1992, was an American painter associated with abstract expressionism. Known for her lyrical and expressive style, Mitchell's works are characterized by vibrant colors, dynamic brushwork, and a focus on capturing the essence of nature and human emotion. She was a prominent figure in the New York School of Artists and gained international recognition for her powerful and innovative approach to painting. Helen Frankenthaler was an influential American painter who pioneered the soak stain technique, a groundbreaking method that significantly impacted color field painting. This technique involved pouring thinned paint onto unprimed canvas, allowing the colors to seep and stain the fabric, creating luminous and ethereal effects. Frankenthaler's innovative approach moved away from the gestural brushwork of abstract expressionism and paved the way for a new generation of artists who explored the expressive qualities of color itself.
My work has continually been influenced by these great women artists, Joan Mitchell, Helen Frankenthaler, and I could name so many more. And I have so appreciated the color studies by Joseph Albers, and I encourage you to explore these artists and these great color theorists. My name is Cheryl Johnson, and I'm an artist, and I encourage you to pursue your passions and have more joy every day.